Have you tried all the methods there are to get a Midjourney membership and still failing? Is your card getting declined all the time, and the bank says the problem does not lie with the bank? Here is a solution that I found. This happened in India, so I cannot promise if this method will work in other countries, but there's no harm in trying. I've been trying to get a membership since 15 July and trying 4 different cards, but all 4 kept getting declined. I spoke for hours with the bank's customer care, and they said, and I quote, "The merchant is not ready to accept the payment."
What?
Do like and subscribe this channel if you want to learn how to use Midjourney to start earning. I will be uploading videos of how to navigate Midjourney like a pro in the coming days. Now back to topic. So I called up a friend who stays in London and sent in my Discord and Midjourney details, and he made the payment from there. It took less than 10 minutes. My Midjourney subscription was on. Well, with VAT, he had to pay $36 for the standard plan. So if you're from India or another third world country and you're facing a similar problem, try getting a friend from the UK or US to get the subscription for you. Worked like a charm for me.